Snow today melt and very slippery for walk. I will take a bucket and put to snow melt, and it will be put water to sauna. Very much slippery. And not freeze. Today not freeze. Little river, very small river from wood, come to lake. Take buckets and will be put inside snow melt. Lake Elsa started melt. Yesterday I walk on lake. Now you see, is it all yellow color because much water. But still nice weather. Elsa, now I will be clear road for walk and finish at ice. And all this I will be finish it, try finish it. Will be continue better late after show how sunshine. No, soon will be sunshine and how beautiful when sunny on lake. I very like spend time here, sitting on street, eating meat from barbecue, go to sauna, swimming in lake. Here different camping, but in this little house live security and we cannot walk around. This is camping, but it's still not for usual people. We cannot rent here house and spend time. It's still closed for visiting. Good sunny day, evening already. I don't know how much. Super little and can punching. Very beautiful, yes. Already much water. Beautiful. I very like weather. Very beautiful. фinish it, guys. Is it our boat for summertime?